Hi, I'm Dr. Danielle Ryan with Laramie County Community College.
And I'm Jess Ryan, Certified Financial Planner with the Compass Wealth Group. Both of us grew up in Wyoming and then moved away after college. So it was a big deal that we were able to come back to Cheyenne. We decided to invest in Wyoming because we can. Not everybody is lucky enough to be able to live and work in Wyoming. And so we believe it's a privilege to live here and to pursue our careers here. We also want to raise our children here and believe that giving back to our communities is what's going to be able to give them and others even more opportunities than what we had. Cheyenne is a community that values volunteerism, and we see volunteering our time for nonprofits as another great investment that will pay dividends for generations.
Like Jess said, we love to give back to our community. I was born and raised right here in Cheyenne at Cheyenne Regional Medical Center, and what I love about the people of Cheyenne is we find our passion, we stick with our passion, and a lot of times that's helping others right here in Cheyenne. And so for that reason, we invest in our community and we implore others to invest in our community. As a pathway coordinator right here at Laramie County Community College, I speak to my students every week about the importance of giving back, finding those passions and really following through on those commitments. If we all do that, every place could be like Cheyenne. But again, it takes all of us. It takes us all to give in and to really help others in our community. And that's why I invest in Cheyenne. I see others doing it. I see my husband doing it all the time, and it just really drives that passion for me. So if you're interested in investing in Cheyenne, let us know. We're involved in a lot of things and we can help you get started. So thanks again.